Hey y'all, come on in to Trattoria, Mama Gina. We are in Florence. We've just arrived from Milan. It is the middle of the day. Technically, you're not really supposed to be eating right now. They're usually closed, but they let us come eat. So it is, what time is it here? Oh, 4:30. But we're exhausted because we've been doing way too much. So we're going to eat and then go to sleep. For our appetizer, we ordered sautéed artichoke with Grana, Padano, Flakes. What we learned today at the Parmigiana Reggiano dairy was that this is a very similar cheese to Parmigiana Reggiano. They don't have to have a strict standard, so they can have different breeds of cow. They can be fed fermented, what was the word she used? It was like a fermented mash versus hay or alfalfa, or whatever the rules are. But very similar. Should have like a very similar taste, but just not have the official title of Parmigiana Reggiano. So it's cooled. It's not like warm, even though it says sautéed. So it's almost like in the United States where we do like shaved Brussels sprout salad or shaved broccoli salad. That's kind of the texture it gives. In my mind, it doesn't strike me as artichoke, but my daughter said it does. Still very interesting, good and good. Oh. Just never had it before. So I've never seen on a menu beans with olive oil. That's literally the description, so let's try it. It's like a white bean. Tastes exactly how you would imagine it. Beans with olive oil. So my daughter ordered the tortelli with like a ragu mushroom sauce. And it looks like the ravioli are stuffed with cheese. It has meat in it. I thought it was just going to be mushrooms, but that's wonderful. That's great. And a classic, eggplant parmesan. We haven't even ordered it anywhere yet. Oh wait, well, not technically. Oh, you know what's kind of interesting is what we've noticed here is the eggplant parmesan, it's not served with like a pasta. In the United States it is. So maybe that's because if you're ordering a pasta on your first course and this is your second course, maybe you've already had your pasta. Whereas in the United States, you'd have your eggplant with your pasta. All right, let's give this one a try. Tastes like a wonderful eggplant parmesan. We just finished our meal. It was so good. So if you're in Florence, you should come to Trattoria, Mama Gina.